Hello guys. Today, well, first of all, I'm back with another cooking video. I apologize for it taking so long to come back. Well, ever since my mom passed away, it's been hard for me to keep my mind straight and get things together. But I miss cooking. And today, I am making crepes stuffed with chicken, cauliflower, and broccoli, and cheese, of course. And I'm going to top it off with a tomato, onion, garlic relish. Now this is going to be a really easy dish, guys. All right. Here is the chicken, broccoli, and cauliflower. I boiled the chicken and I shredded it so that it would mix really good. I'm using Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning, you know, just to add a little bit of flavor. So we're going to add some of this to it. I always say that I don't want to make this a long video, a cooking video, but it ends up being longer than I planned to, but this time for sure. So I'm going to mix this together. And yes, the container is too small, but we're going to mix it together anyway. Mix this together. I'm going to add a little bit more of the ranch seasoning. I'm going to give this a good mix. So I hope you guys have been doing well, and you know, I hope you guys have been safe, happy, celebrating family and friends. Okay. I know, guys, I should have had this in a little bit bigger container. So far, I have not made a mess. Okay. Okay. That looks pretty good. Don't want to start making a mess now. There we go. All right. That looks pretty good. Okay, guys. I will be back to show you the crepes that we're making today. And trust me when I tell you, caught up in the cords, it's going to be really, really easy. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm going to show you what I'm using. I found these crepes, quick and easy, ready-made, at the Killing Store. They're from Belgian Boys, and they're already made, so all you have to do is to heat them up and fill them. It shows here at the bottom 1 minute in the microwave or 1 to 2 minutes in the skillet. I did not know you could get crepes already made. Last time I did this recipe, it was for breakfast with different ingredients, of course, different filling. And I actually, sorry about that, guys. And I actually mixed it myself. It turned out really good. But these are already made, so it's going to be a lot easier, a lot quicker. All right, let's turn this on. We're going to turn this. I am using my Presto electric skillet. I'm going to let it warm up. It's not going to take long. I am going to be using this finely shredded 6 cheese. It is going to glue. It's Italian style, and it's a Myers brand. So this is what I'm using to glue everything together. So let's see. Oh, that's getting hot. I'm using some extra virgin olive oil. Yep. Luciani. You can use butter, margarine, you know, whatever you want. Yeah, I know, it's non-stick and I'm not supposed to be doing that. Let's get the stuffing. Okay. Here we go. All right, this is ready. All right. Let's see what they look like. Oh, and it comes 7 in a box. Now I found, well, I had to have some help, but these were in the refrigerated section, and come to find out, because they're already pre-made. Oh my gosh. Wheat. Nice. Look at that, guys. Perfect for people that are diabetics. Hold on, let me show you. Tab at the top for easy opening, which is good. So we're gonna get this. There we go. Now they're not that big, so I suspect that I'll probably have a lot of stuffing left. There we go. And they're really thin and they're lightweight. It says a minute on each side, but I don't know. I'm going to add a little bit of cheese. I am going to add some stuffing here. I'm going to add a little bit more cheese. And let's see if we can fold this baby over. Oh yeah. Oh, that looks good. I was going to redo this video, but it is what it is. Let me show you what it looks like. Don't that look deliciousness, guys? Yes, I am winded. All right, let's do one more. Here we go. I'm going to add a little bit more. Look how thin it is, guys. Oh yeah, nice and brown. Okay. Gonna add a little cheese. And some chicken stuffing. chicken, broccoli, and cauliflower. And we're going to add a little bit more cheese. The only thing I don't like about these is that they're really, oh shit, gotta be careful. They are really small. Okay guys, I'm going to finish making these and then I'm going to show you what it looks like with the tomato, onion, garlic relish. I'll be back. Okay guys, here is the tomato, onion, and garlic relish. Hold on a second. There it is. So we're going to top these crepes off with them. I'll be back. And here it is, guys, topped with the tomato, onion, garlic relish. Now tell me that's not enough to feed a hungry belly. Happy eating!